Welcome back to our channel. We're taking you on the journey with us of building our AirBNB compound, future AirBNB compound. Right now we're doing the home part. It's a small cabin with a bunkhouse, garage, mother-in-law type thing. And then in the future, once those are built, we're gonna be turning our shipping container into an Airbnb, a tiny home, so that should be really cool. We're gonna have our Airstream that we've been remodeling and a tree house. But for now, we're at our property. Dex has got 3 guys out here helping do backfill and fill in the shop with dirt to prep for the slab. Jordan's packing his pipe. So this is for electrical from...
This is phone cable.
Phone cable.
Or, internet.
So internet, so that we already have it ran to the shipping container, so now we're gonna...
No, we have it ran to... The internet we have ran just to the end of the driveway.
Oh, okay.
Then we're gonna jump off of that. I'm gonna grab these.
Yeah.
And then over there we just got a bunch of electrical conduit for the actual service for the sub panels and stuff, and then some water pipes. So we'll be doing all that backfilling.
So Dex is gonna help us dig the trenches and then lay it and fill it.
Yep. And it'll be in the ground.
Ready to go.
Internet's right there.
Oh, internet is right here. There's Dexter. It's so small.
That's what she said.
It'll be nice to get this dirt pile out of here.
Like the water lines, we don't have sleeves for them. We're gonna dig out and go underneath the footing because we didn't sleeve for it. We don't want to have to core a hole. So
Oh,
we're gonna
okay.
go right underneath. It'll be easy. I mean, it's not hard.
Okay.
Yeah, let's look at our grade.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, that's good.
This will be awesome.
And then
Oh,
we'll
look
do.
at, and it grades. Even though I'd rather have it be really flat down there and level.
Well, you can do that. You can cut that, bring it up,
Yeah.
and this will go because our well's there. This will go from the well to the house, and then this will jump off from the house to the shop.
All right.
So yeah, we got the trenches to dig. Luckily, we got decks. hot water service from the well. And I put a couple fittings on here. They didn't have the right ones, but this will do for now. And then this will at least feed a hose bib for now. And then in the future, we're gonna have to, this will be where all of our well treatment goes. But for now, this will get us at least in being able to use a hose.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Looks good. So we may not have a home yet, but we're gonna have lots of trees we're gonna be planting, and we wanna be able to water those and bring our camper out here, hook our camper up to water and power and stuff. So yeah, it'll be good.
So it's kind of a 2-for-1. It's actually more like a 3-for-1. Because we got rid of the dirt piles, got all of our pipes buried, got our grade established, and the other dirt around the property we were able to pull up the hill so that we could bring it up to our foundation a little bit higher and then grade out and have like a nice lawn on the back. Because it was like this and our foundation was like here,
Yeah.
but we were able to bring a bunch of dirt up the hill and kind of level it out. So our foundation's here, so we got a nice little flat spot and then a gentler hill rather than just a steep hill, which was naturally there.
We're like, wow, we could play soccer down there with the kids. And
Yeah.
we could sled on this hill.
It'll be cool. Slip and slide, sled.
Oh,
Because
yeah,
it was just
slip
like
and slide.
this. We made it into flat, mellower hill, then flat again. Way more usable.
A lot of progress is being made, and next week even more progress is being made. We are getting our septic system installed, and we'll tell you all about why we went with the size we went with, and I'm so tired.
That was crazy.